Precision Contracting Services, PCS, is a company driven to succeed. Started 30 years ago with a vision for the future and desire to bring value and integrity, PCS is now leading the field of communication and fiber optic networking, employing more than 150 people. With offices throughout Florida, North and South Carolina, and Texas, and projects spanning the entire country and even overseas, PCS provides solutions for a wide range of industries.
And now, PCS is looking for installation teams, technicians, and network administrators to join their thriving business.
Designing and building essential, critical technology infrastructures for transportation, municipal governments, hospitality, entertainment venues, and college and university campuses.
The road to your future starts here.
Join the PCS family in building, implementing, and maintaining these essential, critical technology infrastructures.
PCS provides education, training, opportunity for growth, and a competitive benefits package. You provide the skills, experience, and drive for excellence. All you need to do is apply here.
This video was produced by Sky Strategic Marketing.